Today we'll be reading a short story for kids written by Jade Maitre, illustrated by Agnes Antonello. From the website storyberries.com. The link to the original story is in the description down below. Enjoy! What wondrous things happen when a girl plants a seed. Once a girl had an idea. She rolled it. She felt the shape of it. Tasted it. When she could weigh it in her hands, she took it and put it into the earth. The earth was soft and welcoming. She made it a bed there. She covered it over with the ideas that had come before. Warmed it with her heart and believed that it could be something tall, something wild, something beautiful. She watered it with her sweat as she worked the soil, supporting the precious roots, the strong green stalk that pushed faithfully up towards the sky that knew no limit, towards a point that was not fixed but vast and unknown. Except from the beating of hearts and the pulsing of blood, the whisper of wind in branches and the churn of oceans and lakes. Towards earnest, undiscovered terrain, up the stalk, pressed and persisted, encouraged all along by the girl. And when it reached the place perfect for it, it knew what to do without her. It unfurled, gorgeous, beyond all expectations, and let off tiny blooms that carried in the wind.